eats popcorn in the car?
Just you.
Yes, I love taters.
I love taters. I also love taters. So delicious.
Parang may movies.
What's flavor?
Kahit kung saan lang lumabas to.
What's that flavor?
Huh?
What's that flavor?
Sour cream.
Ooh.
Minsan ka lang lumabas, diba? Enjoy mo na, parang nasa movie.
Oh. You drive-in movie theater. Is that still going on? You should try it.
I know.
You laugh?
You know. We're gonna do groceries today. Wow.
What's today? I don't even know what day it is. Wednesday.
Today, the same day. Oh my god.
No, really. What's today? Wednesday, right? Is it Wednesday?
It's so good. Why are you wearing your backpack in the car? Oh, you're... What's that?
It's my, you know,
Your knapsack?
mailbag or whatever.
Knapsack?
I just got used to not
Yeah.
taking it off.
If you go out, do you wear makeup? I don't wear makeup anymore.
I stopped.
Huh?
I totally stopped.
I can't see your face.
I just said, wow, don't show my leg. I'm shy. Too much skin.
Guys, try nyo yung... Ay, may alcohol naman. In-alcohol ka na. Driving, ano, yung popcorn. Let's chop it. And,
Well, for you,
wala lang.
yeah.
I mean, dyan, kasi,
That's fun.
for me, it's fun. Kasi, wala lang. Enjoy ko lang yung view kasi hindi na ako lalabas ulit ng mga tubig.
Oh, di ba? Enjoy the ride. Enjoy the ride, di ba? Wait lang.
Who wears makeup when you go out? Come on, tell me.
Anymore?
Kasi sabi nila, matano lang yung labanan. So, I like that house. Huh? That's a nice one.
Or,
Wow.
wait, I have an idea.
They put makeup on their eyes. But when you
Yes.
buy groceries, makeup.
Girls out there, are you still wearing lipstick? Or you just wear it just because consciously you'll say, oh my god, I'm not wearing lipstick, even though you're wearing a mask. Or you just say, never mind.
Is that minus? No, I do still, I don't know, I like lip gloss. Lip balm.
Lip
No.
gloss?
Lip balm.
How old are you? 13?
Lip
What's
gloss.
Is that
I
like
do wear lip gloss.
Is that like Hello Kitty lip gloss or something?
Oh, lip gloss kaya, meron kayang gano'n.
Diba they have like the what's that the girls wear when they're like preteen, the lip gloss? Parang feeling ko they're wearing makeup. What is that? They wear diba there's a brand. Diba the lip gloss, the popular brand before, it's lip gloss.
Yeah, ano, MAC?
No, like for kids, like for teenagers.
Barbie?
You know, it's like your first lip gloss. You know?
What? 1 minute.
You know that?
Huh. No, ano, no, lip balm, or I still put lipstick sometimes. Kasi you're still gonna eat. I'm like, check it out, but nobody's really looking.
True.
Oh, it doesn't matter if somebody looks, you still wanna look and feel pretty.
True that.
Wow, that's a police
The
in
bike
there.
cops. The bike cops.
Well, now I can see no people in here. I think it's weekdays, so there's people.
I like the bike cops. That's what they need. More of that in like regions or cities. That's okay. Bicycle cops, not motorcycle cops. Oh my gosh, I think we're gonna park there.
Kasi, nauubos ko na. Ay, ang kalat ko na.
Oh my god, I'm gonna go straight to the regular parking.
Yeah. That's my weakness, popcorn. Sour cream. Yeah. Ah. I just bit like a hard corn. Ah! We have a lot.
Okay.
We have a lot of popcorn in the back. Nakakahiya.
This is one way, dude. One way, Joe. You wanted to turn in here, I know.
You have the school here. Who loves popcorn? Tell me.
I like popcorn.
I like popcorn too.
It's delicious.
Wash my hands. Alcohol. Need water. We have 6 popcorns at the back because we're gonna do the Masked Singer US.
Ooh, yeah.
Look why I bought it.
But it's Wednesday.
No, Thursday.
Today's Thursday?
Yeah.
Oh, shoot. It's a party. Woohoo. I thought today was Wednesday. Oh, snap. Now I'm in a better mood.
I just opened this. Okay, that's it. I'm gonna do groceries. One, sir. Okay, guys.
Why? I moved back here anyway because the Unimart is different from the